Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going straight to the settings pane. Once there, open the unwanted message and copy the sender address and domain so you have precise matching criteria. Then navigate to filters or rules. Different providers call it different things, but the action is the same. Start a new rule now. Select from equals that address or domain. This prevents guesswork and targets the source. Make sure to use the full address if the problem is one sender or the domain if many addresses share it. Once you've set the match criteria, decide what the filter should do and why. Choose delete for persistent spam you never want, archive or move if you prefer review later, or mark as spam so the provider learns patterns. Add extra conditions like subject text or attachments to narrow results. Now run the filter against a small batch of messages to confirm it only affects intended emails. If it triggers too widely, refine the criteria. Remove broad keywords, save and enable the filter, then make sure your account syncs so mobile and desktop obey the same rules. If you still get messages, add important addresses to an approved senders list to prevent false positives. Review rule order. Many systems run filters top to bottom, so a broad rule above a specific one can override it. If mail vanishes unexpectedly, check your spam or quarantine folder and adjust actions. When in doubt, temporarily disable new rules to observe behavior, then re-enable after fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.